Hello guys, welcome to learning of C language. Let's see output in compiler, like how we will write a program. Here this is our header files. So it contains like printf and scanf function definitions and declarations. This content by how we will print anything inside the compiler by using printf. We will print anything. Okay, start coding. Start coding like that. I am giving here. I am building as well as here I am checking the errors. Nothing is there, and I am compiling. Start coding. I get the start code. Inside printf double quotes, it is a care sensitive language. See, we need to follow the rules. Inside the printf, we need to give double quotes. After ending the line, we need to the semicolon. Double quotes, whatever you want, you can give like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can give anything. Okay. This is build and this is run. You are seeing, right? Whatever you want, you can give. Start coding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that, you can give. So this is a printing. By using printing, we are printing anything. So let's take the same example here. What we did it. So int I took here int st1 80, right? So int st1 is equal to 80. We will try to print first this one. This is the variable name. Already we discussed. This is a variable name. By using variable name only, we will identify the data. So the variable name we can give anything. Okay, maximum we can give anything. There are also some rules, but right now we are basics only. But we can give any name. By default, some keywords is there. We did not use, but name is any name we can give. Like student also give student. Students also I can give, or student name also I can give. Like this I can give any name I can give. Right? You are seeing, right? Zero errors, zero errors, zero warnings. Or only student. If I give the student, let me check. So variable name we can give anything. Okay, variable name we can give anything. So in this case, okay, student only. How we will print this? Let's see here. How we will print this student? For example, I am giving like a int student like this. I am given. Let us assume. So here in double quotes, whatever you want, you can give. Here I am printing like int student value. Means student value I am giving. Variable data. You can give whatever you want inside the printf according to the requirement you can give. This is for just for your understanding purpose only. Here we are giving. Here mandatory thing is convolution character. Convolution character is nothing but percentage %d. By using this only we will print comma, and here variable. This is a variable name, right? You need to give the variable name here. Mandatory. This is mandatory. So this convolution character, by using convolution character only, it will print. And here we are giving student. This is a variable name. We are giving the variable name here. This is remaining. This is, that is your wish. If you want, you can print. If you don't want, you can remove from here to here. Let's see first. Initially we'll see. Here I am building as well as running. So here you are getting output, right? Int student value is 80. Int student value 80. Let's see. I don't want this any data. Just I'm printing only. This is build and run both at a time we are doing. Just 80. You are seeing, right? Just 80 we are printing. So before that, whatever the data you are giving, that is a user understanding purpose only we are giving. If you, for example, here you are declared student. For example, here you are giving one student one variable. It will give the error. So student one undeclared. Okay, student one is not declared here above. So whatever the variable name here you are declaring, make sure you have to give here. By using convolution character only, we will print integer values. We will print integer values. So before that, whatever you want, you can give. Like the student value, data, like that, whatever you want, you can give according to the requirement. So here I am printing this 80, right? Into student value. Into student value I am giving here. Next one more example, like here one more variable int student 2 is 90, right? Int student 2 is 90. So if you want, we can declare like this also. Okay. Let's see here. One more thing I want to tell you here. Student same I am declaring is equal to 90. So if it is same names, for example, same names, come to this scenario, same names, two students have same names. Here also one, let us assume, here also one. Let us assume two students have same name. Then how can, if for example, teacher will call the student. One means who will come? Both are one only, right? This is a confusion, right? Here only there is a confusion. If both having same name means Here is a confusion. Like come to here, both are same means you will get error. Redefinition of student means multiple times we are using. Means same variable names are not allowed. Okay, same variable names are not allowed. Okay? Same variable names are not allowed here. To do like this, no problem. No error, no warning. So we need to do different variable names. We have to give variable names are different. Why? Because both are same means difficult to come. Who will come? For example, teacher will call student one come here. Both are one only, right? Both are one only. Who will come? That is confusion. So here also compiler will confuse with which data I need to pick, like that. Because of that we are getting error. So student one, let us assume one, student one and student two, student 1 and student 2, like that. Okay, there is no confusion. If whenever you call the student 1, student 1 will come. Whenever you are calling student 2, student 2 will come. So print, how we will print? Same only. Here we are printing student 1 data and student 2 data. Hmm. Here I am printing. Is this correct? Here we will get error. Why? Let's see. So student undeclared, student was undeclared. Instead of student we modified as a student 1, right? Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Let's see. No errors, no warning. This is important actually. You have to check. Now student 1 value is 80. Later one more thing, student 2 value is 90. Okay. We are getting the two values. For example, if we need second line, we can do like slashing. It will give the second line. Student 1 value, student 2 value, integer type. Okay. Like this we will print. So in declaration also we will see how we will declare by using, if you want, comma, you can declare directly here only. There is no problem. Directly you can declare, comma, you can declare. If you have one more means, you can comma, student 3 is equal to some 100. You can declare how many variables you want. You can declare like this only based on the integer range. So that thing we will discuss later. The range whatever it is, we will discuss later. Like this you can declare. And come to the printing also. We can print in single line only. Let's see. Here we can print like student 2. Simply we will give student 2. How can we print by using? This is a mandatory. Convolution character only mandatory. Remaining all are understanding purpose only. Remaining all are understanding purpose only. So I am removing this entire line. Student 1 comma student 2. Copying and pasting here. Student 1 comma. So first will take first argument. Second will take second argument. Second variable name. Let's see here. Student 1 value here I am printing. Student 2 value here I am printing. Run. Both I am doing. Student 1 80, student 2 90. Okay, 90. So if you give like this, first student 2 value will take student 1. Let's see. Student 1 90. Why 90 means here we are whatever the data here we are giving, that will take only convolution character. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, this is just identify for us. Percentage will print. How it will print? First whatever you are giving here, whatever you are declaring, that will take here and it will print. Student 2 also like this only. If you are giving 1 and 2 means it will assume like, okay, this is the 1. It will, one data will consider as a this and two data will consider as like this, it will print. Okay, you understood, right? How many variables you want to declare, you can declare. 3 means you can declare like here only you can declare like 3 is equal to percentage d matter mandatory. Why? Because it is a convolution character. By using that only it will print. Okay, now come to the next. That is nothing but float. Okay, next scenario is float s3. Same variable name whatever you want you can take here is equal the value what he got, some 75.5. Let's assume 75.5 he got the values. So how we will print the float? Let's see here. Same printf only we will use to print whatever you want. You can print by using printf only. So I am removing everything. Just I am using printf. Okay, inside the print float value, I can mention float value, that is nothing but st3 is equal to print float value. Which convolution character we will? Percentage f. By using f only we will print float values. By using percentage f only we will print float values and name st3. This is common for everywhere, so this variable name is common for everywhere. So let's see, already I am using slash n, means it will give new line. So we are getting error here, you are seeing, right? st was here, so why? Because already st is above there, you are seeing, right? It is in above, again you are declaring same data type, means it will give the error. I'm removing here, we are not using st3, so I'm removing here. So yeah, so now it is clear, you are seeing, right? 75.5 we are receiving, but after this 1 2 3 6 digits, like 5 zeros and 1 value, we are seeing, right? Why? Means whenever you are working with float, after a decimal, after point, it will give 6 digits. Okay, 6 digits output it will produce, 6 digits output, whatever you want. For example, 55 you can declare, it will give remaining 4 zeros, 4 5 6, right? Total 6 digits it will give. Let's see, 55, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits it will give, like that only. So that is the float, actually it will give the 6 digits output later. So after 5 it will give the 6 digits, that is the float working. Next, last one is character. Character also we declared here, char some one variable is equal to a, you can say. How can we print character? Let's see here, printf. So char value is equal to percentage c. Okay, here convolution character is percentage c. Whenever we are working with character, percentage c. This remaining all are same. So this is same and this data same. Only we need to remember convolution character. For float what we are using, for character what we are using, for integer what we are using. So let's see here. Building and running. Let's see here. I forgot to semicolon is mandatory. It is a case sensitive. We have to follow the rules. So value is printed here only. So C value is A, here printed here only. So we did not use it here, next line. So it came here only. You are seeing, right? Student 180, student 290, float, student 3 70.5, character A. Some of the things is there, we will discuss in further session. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. If you want to discuss any program, you can comment me. We will try to discuss those things also.